Welcome to another video. Yet again, you can see just last video 18 hours ago I called out ticker APRE. This one spiked up 30%, actually went much higher than that today. Then I called out ticker PEGY. I called this one out just 18 hours ago. That was the first stock I covered in that video. Before the reverse stock split here on X, I said Peggy is next up, the next big squeezer. You can see I posted that at 8:22 a.m. right after market open. This one absolutely squeezed, went up 40%. If you're enjoying this content, drop a quick like for me. It does really help me out. You can see I also called out ticker PIXY on October 15th, 2 days ago. I said this one can be the next ticker VERB, the next verb, which this one had a massive squeeze. And what happened today? This one went up, ticker PIXY went up 230% in pre-market, still had a massive gain to end the day. And I do have the next penny stock we are going to look at, which is a tiny $10 million market cap play that just had a massive purchase agreement with ticker KNX. Now, ticker KNX is a massive $8.4 billion company that has over 24,000 employees with over 130 locations. This is a company that is extremely undervalued, has 1 to 2 years left of cash on hand. And what makes it even better, it does have this very small 2 million share float, as these micro float squeezers or these micro float penny stocks are absolutely going crazy right now. This is a company that is trying to revolutionize the cleaning industry, which is a massive market to get into. They actually IPO'd around the beginning of the year in March for around $4 plus per share, now trading at $1.50, actually much lower than this right now. So just 1 month ago, they did announce the successful installation of over 200 cleaning systems at a leading university in the United States. And check this out, just in July, had a historic PR as they secured a pilot program with a Fortune 50 leading international logistics company that has over 500,000 employees. So this looks like a much bigger contract, or they're working with a much bigger company than the $8.4 billion company they just announced this massive purchase agreement with today. So this is one we have to talk about. This stock I'm talking about is Zone, ticker ZONE, currently trading at $1.40 as we speak. Actually reached a high of $1.80 just today off that massive news and came all the way back down. It's very interesting as it did have that nice run just in pre-market, and then just around 2:30 or 3 o'clock got manipulated back down, has some very strong selling pressure. Could be shorts considering it was later in the day, and this stock is basically only trading at 110,000 volume, moving this rapidly. Something was going on near the end of the close, but either way, it did end up around, up around 8% for the day. Flow is actually pretty small, 2 million shares, like I said, so it can move very easily and is a thinly traded stocks. But either way, currently is trading at $1.40. So this is a cleaning company that has multiple different products. You see on their website, they are targeting the restaurant sector, office sector, residential sector, healthcare, schools, arenas, government, and many other different industries. Offer a wide variety of products. The Fill Station 3.0, which is basically this wall-mounted dispenser that provides on-site, on-demand cleaning solutions and uses in restrooms, hallways, pretty much anywhere. So very good for businesses. And they do have this unique patented technology that combines the natural elements of water and oxygen to deliver a powerful cleaning solution. We have to talk about these massive contracts that they've just secured as a $10 million company. So that's something we're going to talk about. But they do have this Power Caddy, which is another product they have that provides a worry-free, safer cleaning and sanitation solution to quickly clean and deodorize any surface. They also have the Mini Caddy, which is basically, I guess, a smaller version of the Power Caddy. It looks like they have this ice machine that produces ice that is bottled water quality. This system is mounted close to your ice machine and delivers ozonated water capable of maintaining a clean, bacteria-free ice machine, as well as producing pure, clear quality ice. And then they have the O3 Clean Pack, which is an on-site, on-demand aqueous ozone backpack. This portable battery-powered cleaning solution, this is ideal for those hard-to-access areas. Includes a versatile wand with a fan spray tip and battery life of 4 continuous hours. They have the commercial laundry product as well as the residential laundry product. So this is one that effectively oxidizes and deodorizes to extend the life of your laundry. So outstanding share count is sitting just around 8 million shares with a 2 million share float, like I said. And something really nice about them is they do have 2 million shares. They do have $2 million cash on hand, which can potentially last them at least 1 year, maybe even longer than that. Of $7.5 million in total assets compared to $3.7 million in total liabilities. You always add 3 zeros to these numbers. But what I really like about this company is there's a massive opportunity, as they're not even losing that much money every quarter. You can see for the second quarter of 2024 did $706,000 in revenue. They did lose, just around $1 million in net income, but the quarter before that did $300,000 in total revenue, and this more than doubled for the next quarter. So revenue is growing very aggressively, and the quarter before that only lost $520,000. They're not losing that much money, and they do have these massive purchase agreements. Like Zone announces initial purchase agreement with the Knight-Swift Transportation, ticker KNX, which is a $8.4 billion company, one of North America's largest freight transportation companies. This was actually announced today. This is a very hidden company that no one else is talking about. The company they're partnering with this agreement has over 130 different locations with an extensive fleet of approximately 19,000 tractors, 58,000 trailers, and a workforce of 24,000 employees. And Knight-Swift, ticker KNX, does serve a diverse array of industries across the United States, Mexico, and Canada. So considering they have over 130 different locations, this is a massive opportunity to deploy their products at pretty much all 130 locations, or just have a massive, there's a massive room for expansion if they do like their product. So we have to talk about this PR that happened just in July. But let's briefly talk about one that just happened last month, or just over 1 month ago, as they did just announce the successful installation of over 200 different cleaning systems at a leading university in the United States. This installation right here actually began with a successful pilot program of 30 units of the company's products, and CleanCore's contracts included training and support for the employees. So it started as a pilot program, a trial with 30 units, and already has basically been expanded to the successful installation of over 200 cleaning systems. And this is at a university, so that is actually very positive. Just 2.5 months ago, this was their biggest PR, I believe, as they did announce a successful launch of a revenue-generating pilot program with one of the world's leading international logistics companies, probably under an NDA, a non-disclosable agreement, because they didn't really say the name. So it has to be a massive company, but they are in a collaboration. This is a trial and a pilot program with a Fortune 50 logistics company. Furthermore, this client boasts a workforce of over 500,000 employees globally, emphasizing the importance of safer cleaning solutions and the achievement of internal sustainability goals. Given the early positive feedback and their track record of high customer satisfaction and meaningful cost savings, say right here, they are highly confident that this initial purchase order will translate into significant long-term enterprise-wide contracts. And that's exactly what could happen. That's what happened with that university. So this is a trial program. If it does succeed, there is a massive room for expansion, considering this Fortune 50 company has over 500,000 employees. Just imagine how many locations they have worldwide, as it is an international logistics company. So this is a company that could really disrupt the entire sector. So right here on their homepage at CleanCore, we are dedicated to revolutionizing cleaning and disinfection practices by harnessing the power of their patented aqueous ozone technology. Their mission is to eliminate harmful chemicals, reduce the environmental impacts of them, and empower their customers with cost-effective, sustainable solutions that surpass traditional cleaning methods. So they're basically replacing outdated cleaning methods, making them more efficient, and through their innovation and commitment to excellence, they strive to create a healthier, greener future for generations to come. So we really like what they're doing. And they are addressing, just the global household, the residential cleaning market is valued at $33.8 billion. And that was in 2021. So much higher than this right now, growing at a rate of 5% each year from 2022 to 2028. The U.S. food and beverage cleaning market to reach $2.4 billion by 2026. And something right here, the global service cleaning market. So for businesses, everything like that is predicted to hit just under $93 billion by 2027 with a very high 8% CAGR compound annual growth rate. According to the dilution tracker, they do not have any current dilution filings. Growing very rapidly. They're just only getting started, it looks like, have secured these massive, very big contracts just at a $12 or $10 million valuation. Trading at $1.40 right now. I'm expecting a lot of new updates with these pilot programs, new contracts as well, guys. If they're able to secure some of these, world leading international companies, it's, pretty likely there will be a lot of new contracts coming. So ticker ZONE, really like this one. I do think it's undervalued, does have a lot of potential. Let me know in the comments what you think about this play, any other plays you're watching, and I will see you on the next video.